This is Bhuna Gosht, or slow cooked beef. Instapot edition because I do not have time for slow cooked anything. My mom, of course, makes the best Bhuna Gosht, but I think this is a fairly passable edition of it. I like using bone-in beef because I feel like it adds a lot more flavor than just boneless beef, to which I added ginger garlic paste, turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, which adds color and not so much spice, so my kids can have some it too. Garam masala powder, some yogurt, and a splash of soy sauce, along with fried onions and the oil that it was fried in. I do like to fry my own onions so that it doesn't have a weird smell or taste, and also I get to use the oil that I fried them in. Then mix, cover, and refrigerate and marinate overnight. I really don't like recipes that ask you to marinate overnight, but trust me, in this case, it makes such a big difference. Once it's done marinating, you want to take it out of the fridge and put it in your Instapot with a little bit of water. And then you want to go to your meat setting on Instapot, which on my Instapot is about 12 minutes on high pressure. Once it's done cooking, you want to release all the steam and carefully open the lid. And I check if the meat is done cooking. And for me, this was just a little bit too much water. I like my Bhuna Gosht to be a little bit more on the drier side. So what I did was I put it on saute and I reduced the water down. Next, you want to temper some spices, or better known as the Tarka, for which you need peppercorns, cloves, bay leaves, black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon, and dried chillies. Now you want to fry these spices in some ghee or in any neutral oil on slow heat until they are all beautifully aromatic. Once everything is toasted and aromatic, you want to go ahead and add it to your meat, mix it all up, give it one final taste test to make sure that the salt is perfect. I enjoy eating my Bhuna Gosht with cumin rice with a side of pickled onions, but it goes just as well with just white rice or even naan. And I love how fast this recipe is. I make it at least once a month, and also it's a crime not to eat this with your hands.